Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, I got another delicious dish for you guys today. You know, as I had told y'all early in the year, or either last year that I had, well, now that was this year that I had told you guys I was going to share a lot of my easy dishes that I used to make when my kids was younger. And I call them the dishes that help a working mother over. It helped me fix some tasty, satisfying dishes for my kids that they really seem to love it, and my husband also. And it was just, you know, easy, and was able to take a lot of work off me when I was working every day. So let me tell you what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be doing a taco bake. A simple, easy taco bake. And kind of simple ingredients in it, simple to mix up, and you don't have to, like I say, you don't have to have a whole lot of stuff to go with it. You can add toppings to it and all of that stuff after the fact. I don't know, I may show you that, but it's a delicious dish. And when I was looking through my recipes and stuff, when I was coming through, I was finding the ones I say, I gave y'all a dish similar to this, but I told you from the start, I've tried several. I done did so many different recipes that I done forgot half of them. But when I see one and it kind of sparked my memories, I say, I got to share that one with my family. Okay, like I say, this is a taco bake. And let me tell you what you're going to need for this easy recipe. You're going to need 1 pound of ground beef. I've thrown out 1 pound of ground beef. Okay, you're going to need a couple of eggs, a couple of large eggs. Got onions all over the place. My onions falling out. And this right here is a half a cup of bacon mix. See what type of, I got it up there right top. A half a cup of this bacon mix. You can either use any type of bacon mix you want, because this is just the kind that I use. And okay, this is half a cup of chopped onions. And this is a can of you see what size it is. I can't even see the little letters on it, but I think it's about a 4-ounce can of these green chilies. The green chilies. And you're going to have to drain this. You're going to have to drain it. And then you're going to need 1 pack of taco seasoning. And then you also going to need 1 cup of milk. And then you're going to need some cheddar cheese to sprinkle on top. I'll show you how to do that. Now before we get started on this, let me tell you guys a few steps that I'm going to do before I start mixing it up. I'm going to go off and I'm going to brown and drain my ground beef and put my taco seasoning in it. Okay, and then I'm going to take this, that's going to be the first thing. Get that ready. And then I'm going to take this half a cup of bacon mix and this cup of milk and these 2 eggs, and I'm going to beat and mix that together. And then I'm going to have this, because this is going to be the top of it. And then this one, like I said, I'm going to take this here taco seasoning. It's going to go inside of your ground beef with your onion. But I'm going to have, when I come back on, I'm going to have the ground beef ready. And then I'll just probably take up from there. And I'm already have the bacon mix ready. So I can just go ahead on and pour it on top of the dish. And you're also going to need this is a greased 9-inch bacon dish. If you don't have one like this, I know most everybody do, you could use a 9-inch pie plate. Okay, let me see if something else that I was going to tell you guys. I told you I'm going to have this mixed up with the 2 eggs, a cup of milk, and then the half a cup of the bacon mix. And then I'm going to drain the chilies. Like you got to drain the juice off the chili. I already have that did. And then this onion is going to be sauteed up in that ground beef. And then like I said, I'll show you Well, I'm gonna put I'll show you when the cheese go on there, because I'm gonna bake it first, and then I'll come back on and show you how I sprinkle the cheese on it. So that's all I need to tell you. Now when I meet you back over at the stove, we'll take up from there. Okay, you guys, I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back, and let me tell you this before I get started. First, I want to apologize to you guys. When I know when I did my baked chicken dish, I forgot to tell you what temperature to bake the chicken on, which was 350. So I was intending to tell y'all over there, so I forgot. So let me tell you, this is going in a 400 degrees oven for 25 minutes. 25 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna come back and let you see what it looked like before I sprinkle the cheese on it. But I just want to make sure I tell you guys that I got my clock. I got my timer set for 25 minutes. If I have to go in and bake it a little longer, if this crust ain't what I want it to be, I'll show it to you and tell you that when I do it. Okay, I already got my ground beef and that half a cup of onion. I already did, as you can see, and now I'm getting ready to sprinkle this taco season over in this meat mixture. So all you got to do, guys, just as simple as that. Sprinkle it over and get it mixed all in real good. I want you guys to leave me some comments on what type of casseroles and stuff that you guys do that's really good, that maybe I can use for my family and probably share with the rest of the family on my channel. Now give me some delicious ones that's easy and don't take 50 ingredients to make it and stuff like that. Those are the type of recipes that I like. Okay, you see, all I'm doing is just mixing it up real good. I like Mexican and Italian casseroles and stuff. I got a lot of them. I don't know if I ever get to share a lot of them with you guys on this, because I'm just picking out the less complicated ones, because some of them, when I fixed them, some dishes I tried, I said, ooh, I'll never try that again. Okay, remember I told you I'm going to pour it over here in this here 9-inch baking dish. Let me get this on over there, and then I'll show you guys. Ooh, don't let me step on that camera. Thank you. Do you think I can show it better if I just take this and put it back over here again, or will it stay in that spot? Can they see it over here? The stove still kind of hot. I don't want to sit that up there. What you think? Stay over there?
No, stay right where you're moving too much, man. Have it stay where you didn't. I can zoom in on it.
Oh, okay. So staying here be better?
Yeah.
All I'm doing now, guys, is just spreading this out evenly in the dish. And like I told you, you can use a pie plate if you don't have a baking dish, on these rectangular dishes like this, or maybe it's square. Whatever.
It is square.
I know, I said. When you get old, you just say a little bit of everything. Okay, after you get that spread it out, what about this stuff? Put that like that. Just take this can of green chili, which I have drained, and I'm just going to sprinkle it on the top. Maybe I try to put this in recipe up, you guys, for Taco Tuesday. I see a lot of people have a Taco Tuesday on their on the YouTube channels. Maybe I can get in style with the Taco Tuesday. Let me step over here and make sure I get them all out of here. Step over and go this way and rinse my hands off. You gonna cut this water for me? Okay, you guys, I got that spread over there. And if you can mix this here, this bacon mix and the milk and the eggs up in something that you can pour, it'll be a lot easier on you. This bowl got some little, I ain't gonna call it spouts, but indentation that I can just kind of pour it over the top. Pretty good. I got to get on the front of
that you pouring over the top?
This is the half a cup of bacon mix, the 2 eggs, and the milk. That's all that is, you guys. Remember? It's been letting it set a while. I should have stirred again. Thank you. Usually I put it in my measuring cup, but I want to kind of show you guys the bowl that I was putting it in. Just going to shake it a little bit, make sure it's even. And that's all to it, guys. When I put it in the stove and bake it, and then I come back and show you what it's going to look like and put the cheese on top of it. Okay, you guys, I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. This is what the taco bake look like after they have been in the oven on that 400 degrees for 30. I let it stay in 30 minutes. And let me tell you something that you can do that I forgot to tell you, the options. You can let it stay like this and serve it up, and then put your cheese on it once you serve it up. But we like to melt our cheese on the top of it and then add our other toppings to it. That was something I forgot to tell you when I was telling you about the dish. But when once I put it in the oven and melt it and come back to show you guys the finished product, I'm gonna show you the toppings that we use. But you can use any toppings that you want to, that you know, like on tacos. Just any toppings. But I like to put this cheese on mine and set it back in the oven for maybe a good 2-3 minutes, because it's already hot. It don't take nothing to melt, so I ain't got no exact time of what I give you on that. So that's what I want to show you. I'm gonna get it set back in the oven, and then when I come back, I'll show you guys the finished product. Just take it out and put the cheese on top of it like that, or you don't have to. Just put the cheese on it when you get ready to serve it. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product of the taco bake, and I put the toppings that I normally use over there for you to see, to give you some suggestions. And you can also use green onions, you know, chop up some green onions and just whatever you want. And like I told you, with the cheese, you can just bake it up and don't put the cheese on there. Just put the cheese on like that with your lettuce, tomatoes, and black olives, and a little taco sauce. That's the way we normally do ours. Or you can have you some chips on the side. The toppings and stuff like that is just up to you. Ever how you eat your tacos, that's where I would do that. So it's very hot right now, and I shouldn't be cutting it to serve you up a piece, but I'm gonna come back over and see can I cut it and serve you guys a piece. Yeah, let y'all see what it looked like on the inside. Let Tuck ease out the way.
Go ahead.
Okay. Ooh. See if I get one of my little. Okay. Put it over there. Ooh. When this is cold, you won't have any problem. You know, cool better than what it is. You won't have any problems with it. Let me make it smaller. Maybe it won't mess up. Smells scrumptious. Maybe I should have got that off the back first. Turn it around. You guys see what it looked like? Because I got it sitting low enough there top. Show them what it looked like over in the pan. This pirate dish that this bacon dish that I usually that I cook it in. It's like they call it a cracked glass, but for some reason this thing gets super duper hot, so I have to be very careful, and it holds the heat. If you look at it, you'll think the glass is cracked on it, the coating is cracked on it, but it's the type of dish that it is. But like I say, you put your toppings and stuff on there. Put your little lettuce. Here I go messing up. Little tomatoes. And some black olives. You can't go wrong with this. You guys is gonna love it. And I feel that your kids will too. Because all them toppings they don't like, they don't have to, won't have to eat it. It's out of the way. Just making it look ugly. Okay, you guys, this is it. This is the finished product of it. And like I say, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And have you ever had a taco pie like this? This has been around so many years. These recipes that I'm sharing with you guys, they've been around so many years that you probably done had it and it was called something else or whatever the case may be. Because I have seen a couple of more recipes with it called a different name. I can't think what it was, but making it up was the same. I think that's all they do anyway, recycle these recipes and just change the name. So, okay, you guys.
You got the sour cream.
Oh, yeah. A little sour cream on the top. Tuck want me to put a little sour cream up there because he know that's what he always eat on there. Oh, I'm going to tell you suggestions, and then I turn around and fix it up. This is a tacky way of fixing it up, you guys. You know I do better than that. But anyway, you guys, remember to stay safe, and may love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.